Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Kinemaster on iPhone. Video editing has become an essential skill today, especially if you create content on web platforms like YouTube, Instagram or TikTok. The good news is that you no longer need a powerful computer or complicated editing software to create high quality videos. With just your phone, you can edit professional looking videos using powerful mobile apps. And one of the most popular video editing app available for today is Kinemaster. The app offers a wide range of tools including multi-layer editing, transitions, effects, text animations, music integration and color adjustment. Even though it is beginner friendly, it still provides advanced editing tools that many professional creators use. And in this complete guide, I will walk you through how to download Kinemaster, set up the app, understand the interface, import media, edit clips, add text and effects including music and voiceovers, and finally export your finished video on your iPhone. And by the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to use Kinemaster to create polished and engaging videos directly from your phone. So before we begin editing videos, the first step is to download and install the application on your device. So you need to start by opening to your App Store on your device here. And over here, once the App Store opens, tap on the search icon on the bottom located and type down Kinemaster and search for it. And over here, we can find to this Kinemaster video editor. Just beside it, select to this get. Over here, what you need to do is simply confirm with the side button, double click to install it. And your iPhone may ask you to confirm the installation using your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. And after confirming, the app will begin downloading and installing on your phone. And once the installation will be completed, you'll see this open beside it. Tap on the open to launch it. And when opening the app for the first time, Kinemaster may ask for certain permissions such as access to your photos, videos, microphones. Simply select allow or don't allow. And these permissions allow the app to import media files and record audio. Tap allow so that the app can function properly. And after opening the Kinemaster, you will arrive at the main dashboard or the home screen. This is where you can manage your project and start editing videos. And the home screen usually contains several important sections. And one of the most important button is the create new project button on the top. And this is where you begin editing a new video. So below beside this section, you will find your project library, which displays all the video project you have previously created and saved within the app. And you may also see the setting icon on the top right corner. This is where you can access, manage your account, app preferences and subscription options. And understanding this dashboard is helpful because it serves as the central hub where all your editing work begins. And the second thing is one of the most noticeable difference between the free and premium version is the watermark. So when you export a video using the free version of the Kinemaster, a small watermark appears on the video. So with the premium subscription, this watermark is removed, so allowing you to create a cleaner and more professional looking videos. Premium users gain access to much larger collection of effects, transitions, music tracks and graphic elements, so that can enhance the quality of the video project. And what you can do is on the top left, select this premium here. Over here you can find to your yearly subscription, your monthly subscription, and you can also do a 3-day free trial plus subscribe in this yearly. So you can choose any of the subscription here, tap on the subscription and you can cancel it anytime as well. And what you need to do is you need to double click to subscribe it and you need to proceed through it as well. And if you already have a subscription purchased before and you want to restore it, you can select this already purchased in the top and you can restore it as well. And over here in the top right corner, we can find this asset store inside the Kinemaster. Tap over there and this is a built-in marketplace where you can download additional editing resources. This asset allow you to customize your videos with professional elements without needing external software. And you can access the asset store from the main dashboard or directly from the editing interface. When you open the asset store, you will find the several categories of downloadable assets, effects, transitions, stickers and fonts, overlays. And creating your first video project, to begin editing your video, tap on the create plus icon in the top. So over here what you can do is you can also enter the name of your project and you can choose the aspect ratio for the YouTube, TikTok, icon, Instagram or any of the aspect ratio, and you can select create on the bottom. And understanding the editing interface, the editing workspace in Kinemaster may look complex at first, but once you understand the layout, it becomes very easy to use. So at the top of the screen you see this preview window. This is where you can watch and preview your video while editing, and at the bottom of the screen you'll find this timeline here. The timeline is the area where all your video clips, images, audio files and effects appear. You can drag and rearrange clips, and on the bottom you can find this a circular menu called the editing, and this menu contains several tools that allows you to add different elements to your video. And these tools typically include your sticker, effects, media, layer, audio, and each of these tools serves a special editing purpose. And to start building your video, first you need to import your videos and photos. So simply tap on the media on the bottom left, and over here you can select one of the photo or the video that you want to edit. You can browse through all your photos and videos and select the clip that you want to use, and simply tap on the desired video or the image and it will automatically appear in the timeline. And you can continue adding multiple clips in the order you want them to appear in your final video. And once your clips are added, you can drag them left or right in the timeline to rearrange them as well. So after adding your clips, you may want to remove unnecessary sections from the beginning or the end of the clip. So you can simply trim a clip as well. In the timeline, you'll see the handles appear at the edge of the clip. Drag these handles inward to shorten the clip. Simply tap on the clip first and simply slide a bit to trim it. And if you want to divide a clip into two parts, move the playhead to the exact position where you want the cut to happen and then tap on the split on the bottom. And this feature is very useful when removing mistakes or separating different scenes within their video. And text is often used to add titles, captions, or subtitles to your video as well. So over here on the bottom editing again, you can tap on the text, and what you can do is a text box will appear where you can type your message. After typing your text, you can customize its appearance by changing the font size, color, and alignment. So you can also drag the text box anywhere on the screen to position it exactly where you want it to appear on the video. So simply type down the text that you want to put it on the video and select on this check mark beside it. And you can also select your font, layer, and Kinemaster also allows you to add the text animations which make your text fade, slide, or pop into the screen. You can choose your style, font, preset, animation. And the second thing is to adding music and audio. Music is an important element that can greatly improve the mood and engagement of your video. To add a background music, tap on the audio on the bottom and select allow. And once you select it, this will open the music library where you can browse available tracks or select the music stored on your phone. Over here, simply tap on one of the music that you want to put on the video. And this is it. The music has just been added on your video. You can adjust the length of the audio track by trimming or moving it along the timeline. You can also adjust the volume to ensure the music does not overpower the dialogue or the voiceover. So if you want to explain something in a video or add narration, you can record a voiceover directly in the app. Tap on the voice button on the bottom. There's a recording icon. Then press record. Speak clearly in your phone microphone while the video plays. When you stop recording, the voiceover will automatically appear as an audio layer in the timeline. And that is it. This feature is commonly used for the tutorials, commentary videos, and educational content. And if you want to add layers, stickers, and effects, what you can do is one of the powerful features of the Kinemaster is the ability to add multiple layers. Layers allow you to place elements on top of a video. For example, you can add images, stickers, shapes, text, visual effect. To add these elements, tap on the layer button on the bottom. Over here, you'll find this images. Select one of the images that you want to layer, and it will automatically turn into your timeline. And once added, you can resize, rotate, or move the layer anywhere on the screen as well by simply selecting and holding it on your screen. And on the bottom, we can find this transform as well. Using transform and help create smooth changes between the two clips. To add a transform, tap on the transform on the bottom. Simply select the position that you want to put in and slide it a bit. And after selecting a transform, you can adjust its durable to control how quickly or slowly it plays. And once you have finished editing your video, the final step is to export it. Tap on the export button located in the top right corner of the screen, and you will be given option to choose the video resolution over here, such as 720p, 180p, 1080p, or sometimes 4K depending on your device. And you can also choose the frame rate, typically 30 fps or the 60 fps. And after selecting your settings, select the quality of your video. You can simply slide this bar as well and tap on the save as video. And once the export is complete, the video will be saved on your iPhone's photo gallery. And in conclusion, Kinemaster is powerful and easy to use video editing app that allows anyone to create professional video directly from their phone. And from importing clips and trimming footage to adding music, text, effects, and transitions, the app provides all the tools needed to produce high quality content. With regular practice and creativity, you can use Kinemaster to produce engaging videos for YouTube, social media, and personal projects without needing complex editing software. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.